Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, after my last video, Bitcoin indeed went down further and actually touched the lowest boundary or the lower boundary of my support area here of that 50% Fibonacci retracement at 23,330. Did tell you that around this area, if we drop below this and sustain there, it would indicate that the move to the upside is finished. In whatever shape or form that might be, the move up could certainly just be a corrective wave. In my opinion, I would then prefer that because we had only 3 waves. In this scenario, we have a chance to retest this week's lows again and may even enter the yellow box again, find support here and do another rally. It's possible. And that's of course then also a possibility if we drop below the green support box and sustain there, that we are already in the first wave and that this 5th wave of the first already peaked. Because I mean, you can interpret this as impulse, you can interpret this as a 5-wave move as well. Not my primary expectation, therefore the risk of just a B wave top is there. That's why I highlight that for many other coins as well. You don't really need to understand the difference if you're not too much into Elliott Wave, but the point is, if it is a B wave top, this was not the wave 5 yet. The risk is there that it's a B wave top, a corrective wave top, because we are lacking important structure that you would normally expect to see in a 5th wave. But I will guide you as good as possible as new price information comes in. But certainly it's the case that risk is going up again. Yeah, we did not break above the August high yesterday. So let's zoom out a little bit. The August high was exactly here at 25,200 pretty much. That's where we got rejected yesterday, yeah, and then came down quite a bit as well, entered my green support area. Now, if we just look here at the, for our chart, it looks quite a bit like a bear flag at the moment. That's why I'm actually holding off entering now with any long positions right at the moment, because this does not look very bullish yet. Well, it could be that this is a 1-2 setup. It could be, yeah. So be ready for it. I mean, the charts always turn around at an instant, especially in the crypto market. So you might argue this is bear flag, but if it breaks to the upside, this bear flag, then you could argue it's actually here a 1-2 setup, which might already be in the next wave up. We don't have enough touch points yet. I mean, it could turn into something like a triangle. If it turns into something like a triangle though, then it will probably make a new low. And yeah, then we're maxing out what we should do. So it will be very interesting today, especially interesting to see how the US stock market opens. But important for you is that if we drop below that 23,330 level, then it will become very, very difficult to maintain that upside momentum, and the bears will probably get in control here, and then I will keep you updated about the next moves. Did highlight to the channel members in one of the posts on Telegram and Discord, I think it was yesterday, no, the day before, that I think when we were up here in this region, that most of the easy money in this entire move of the November low has been made. Now it's gonna get tougher and tougher. And therefore the FOMO that came in, because this is a FOMO move that we saw, a lot of FOMO came into the market, a lot of leverage. Due to that leverage and due to that FOMO, yeah, the risk of a breakdown increases. It is what it is. And this has nothing to do with manipulation. This is purely sentiment, and it is not wise to enter with FOMO in a 5th wave, because it is possibly a 5th wave. So it's the end of a move, you know. If you watch the previous videos, you know what I talk about. 5th wave up here, yeah, is typically the end of a move. Yeah, this can still go higher. I would eventually expect it to go higher, but it's now really at a make or break point here in this box. And so far it hasn't really rallied impulsively yet. It just needs to hold. But yeah, surely it could break down today. That will be highly interesting. Then everybody will have chances to get in at a lower price again. And I can see tendencies in the crypto market that coins are starting to, starting with a new downtrend or short-term downtrend at least. For example, some of the coins where I indicated we could get a B wave top, they sold off yesterday. So I'm going to observe that further today for you. What else to mention? Well, only other thing really in terms of the wave count here. I mean, I haven't changed anything. This is for me still a B wave low. A wave 4 low. What I'm still unsure about, and both perspectives are absolutely valid, if this wave 4 was here or if it's here, and then we're already in the yellow wave 4, so we're already a step ahead. That does only make minor differences in terms of fib levels and support areas, and I already consider that when putting this green support area on the chart. And it also doesn't really make a difference because in both scenarios, if we see upside from here, we should ideally, if the support holds, see upside from here in one of these wave 5s. So it doesn't really make a difference. And if the support area breaks, we're anyway on our way down already. But ideally, we are pushing higher still. Target what was sort of the 26k region. But it was certainly the right decision of me yesterday to take some risk off in this area, take some profits on the ETH order I entered early in the week. And I did make you aware, because you need to recognize, you need to, and I think a lot of that just comes with experience. You just need to see by market behavior and sort of feel the market as well when it's time to maybe take some risk off. And the time for me was yesterday. So far the market has also failed to rally impulsively out of the box again, so things are getting a bit tough today. So let's see how we end the week. I mean, I'm going to keep you updated, but you should be aware of all the relevant levels to watch. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.